Welcome to the channel, guys. Well, you all may be wondering why am I running around here. Well, that's just a way of staying fit. Yes, I have just started exercising, and I'm sure a lot of us deal with the same issue. We try to stay fit, but we don't know where to start with. Alright, so today I've got something for both you and I, and this will help us stay fit. So let's quickly go ahead and check what this is. Alright guys, so there you go. This is the Amazfit Pace. This is a GPS running watch, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and unbox this for you, and let's see what's in the box along with the smartwatch. Right, so let's just pull this out. Now before we do this, let's quickly check what the box tells us about the product here. So it says it's an activity and sports tracker. It has GPS, it's water resistant. So this has IP67 certification, so this is indeed resistant to dust, rain, splashing and accidental submersion. You get notifications, ceramic case, we'll see that as well. Heart rate sensor, you can control your music as well. This says it has long lasting battery, always on display, and well, we get a 1 year limited warranty. So apart from this, okay, so we have the retail pricing mentioned here. So it says 10,999. However, I was able to get this for about 10,000 on Amazon, so that's really great. So I must say that this is one of the best sports tracker or a smartwatch that you can buy at this price. So let's quickly go ahead and open this. So there you go. Now that's a beautiful watch, I must say. So you have a sticker here. We'll take this off first. So there you go. This is how this is packed. So let's quickly take this off, keep this aside. So that's the watch. It's really beautiful. In fact, the belt tag has this red accent that looks really sporty and nice, and that's the heart rate sensor, and that's the pin to charge the watch. So let's just keep this aside, and there you go. That's the charging dock. That's about it. And here you get the charging cable. Now this is a normal USB type micro USB port, so that's wonderful. This is even better because you can then charge it with anything that you have. So let's just keep these things back into the box. There you go. Now that's the watch. Let me just quickly go ahead and remove this. There you go. Alright, so you just have a button here. I'm not sure how this works. I'll certainly go ahead and look into this. Alright, so I've managed to start the watch. I'm sure we will have to set this up first, so I'll learn everything about the watch and we will look into this later. However, for the meantime, thank you very much for being with me for the unboxing of this pretty thing. And yes, I will be exercising to see how accurate this watch is, and how well does this work as a smartwatch as well. So guys, stay tuned and thank you very much for today. Bye.